In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Elevenlabs voices for videos. To get started, open Elevenlabs and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and open the Voices section. This is where all of your available voices are organized, including any custom voices you've created or added to your workspace. After that, click on My Voices. This area shows the voices that belong to you or that you manage directly. Take a moment here to locate the specific voice you want to share. If you have a long list of voices, it may help to scan carefully so you choose the correct one before moving on. This is especially important if you manage multiple versions of similar voices for different projects. Once you've found the voice you want to share, go to the three-dot menu next to that voice. Click on it to open the available options, then select Share. This will open the sharing settings for that particular voice. At this stage, you will need to choose an access level for the person you are sharing with. You will typically see options like Viewer, Editor, or Admin. Viewer access is best if you only want someone to be able to see or use the voice without making changes. Editor access is useful if they need more control and may be helping with adjustments or collaboration. Admin access gives the highest level of control, so it's a good idea to use that only when necessary. Next, enter the team member's email address in the sharing field. Before sending the invitation, double-check that the access level is correct, so the right permissions are assigned from the start. That can save time later and help avoid confusion if you are working with a team. If you prefer, here is also another option. Instead of entering an email address directly, you can copy the share link and send it manually. This can be convenient if you are sharing through chat, a project management tool, or another communication platform your team already uses. Just make sure you are sending it only to the people who should have access. And that's all it takes to share your Elevenlabs voice for video work. It's a simple process, but choosing the right voice and the right permission level can make collaboration much smoother. Thanks for watching.